exercise 6.2, the concept of parallel lines as well as corresponding alternate interior, alternate exterior angle and co-interior angle is given. Suppose that AB and E have two parallel lines and one transversal line is there, CD. Then let's have a look on all these concepts. Corresponding angles. Corresponding angles क्या होते हैं? On the same side of a transversal line. एक अंदर एंगल और एक बाहर एंगल, और एक बाहर एंगल और एक अंदर एंगल should be equal. So on the same side of the transversal line, look at over here. I have already written the numbering over here. On the same side, अगर CD is a transversal line, तो same side में ये एंगल्स आ रहे हैं, either these or these. एक बाहर का एंगल और एक अंदर का एंगल will be equal. So angle 1 equal angle 5 and एक अंदर का एक बाहर angle 2 equal angle 6. Same concept on the other side of transversal also. So एक बाहर angle 4 equals angle 8 and angle 3 equal angle 7. So these are the corresponding angles. Okay. So if two parallel lines are given, then the corresponding angles are equal, or it's vice versa. अगर type of corresponding angles equal है, तो line should be parallel. Alternate interior angle. For alternate interior angle, ये देखो, ये Z बन रहा है. So Z के अंदर जो angles आ रहे हैं, you will get angle 2 equal angle 8. ये देखो Z में ये angle 2 and angle 8. And same way the reverse of Z, angle 3 equal angle 5. 3 equal angle 5. Okay. So these are the alternate interior angle. Alternate exterior angle. ये Z में जो बाहर एंगल है, एंगल 1, ये देखिए Z बन रहा है, ये 2 के साथ जो बाहर एंगल है और 8 के साथ जो बाहर एंगल है, एंगल 7. एंड द रिवर्स ऑफ Z, अब इसमें क्या होगा? एंगल 3 के बाहर जो एंगल है, एंगल 4 एंड 5 के बाहर एंगल 6. So these are also equal. If two lines are parallel, then alternate interior angle, corresponding angle or alternate exterior angles are equal. Now come to the co-interior angle. Co-interior angles equal नहीं होते. Co-interior angle में उनका sum 180 degree होता है. On the same side means 2 plus 5. Angle 2 plus angle 5 equal 180 degree. Add angle 3 plus 8. Angle 3 plus angle 8 equal 180 degree. So co-interior angle sum is 180 degree. लेकिन co-interior क्या होता है? Transversal interior अंदर on the same side. Okay. So these concept we will use somewhere in the exercise. Question 1. ये आपके पास दिया हुआ है and you have to show AB parallel CD and you also have to find out X and Y. Look here. EF is a straight line. So these two sum is 180 degree linear pair. आप put कीजिए, you will get the value of X. X आ गया and since here either here angle Y equal 130 degree, vertically opposite angle Y equal 130. So Y भी आपके पास आ गया. अब क्वेश्चन में from equation 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, both of them are equal. So angle X equal angle Y equal 130 degree. X भी 130 है and Y is also 130 degree. लेकिन ये किस टाइप के एंगल्स बन रहे हैं? Angle X and Y, but these are alternate interior angle. Therefore, अगर एंगल्स इक्वल है, therefore the lines are parallel. Is it clear? Okay. Come to the next question. Question 2. All these three lines are parallel given and Y ratio Z equal 3:7. Y and Z ratio is given. So what we will take, and you have to find out X. X निकालना है. तो हम क्या ले लेते हैं? Let Y equal 3A. We can't take it 3X because X already mentioned है. तो हम यहाँ पे कोई और अल्फाबेट लेंगे. So let y equal 3a and z equal 7a according to the ratio. AB parallel EF. All the three lines are parallel to each other. So AB EF के भी parallel होगा. So AB parallel EF. So what does it mean? X equals Z, alternate interior angle, और हमने Z क्या लिया है 7a. So you will get X is also as 7a. Now these two are also parallel lines. It is already given. So it means इन दोनों का sum 180 degree according to the concept co-interior angle 180 degree. Value put कीजिए, you will get the value of A. अब A आ गया आपके पास and you have taken here you have proved X equals 7a. So X equals 7a. Substitute the value of A from here to get the value of X. Is it clear? Now come to the next question. Question third. This whole angle is given 126 degree. AB parallel CD is given and you have to find out these angles. ये जो star है, these angles you have to find out. Okay, these angles you have to find out. So first thing, अगर आप देखेंगे ये एंगल निकालना है तो ये पूरा एंगल कितना है 126 डिग्री. So it means that this star angle, this plus this 90 degree equal 126 degree. Okay, तो हम GEF निकाल लेंगे 36 डिग्री. अब now आपके पास ये एंगल आ गया GEF 36 degree. This you have got it. Now take this triangle. ये ट्राइंगल लेते हैं. अब इस ट्राइंगल में क्या होगा 90 and this you have already taken out. तो हम by angle sum property we can find out this angle. तो हमने 54 डिग्री निकाल लिया. Now you have to find out this. अब इन दोनों का sum, these two sum is 180 degree or the other way AB parallel CD is given. Okay, so AB parallel CD is given. So this angle and this 126 degree. ये देखो ये वाला एंगल और ये 126 डिग्री Z बन रहा है. So these two are equal to each other, alternate interior angle. तो हमारे पास एंगल AGE will be equals to 126 degree. If you know any other method, there are many other methods also to solve these questions. But you can use the other methods also. But the method, whatever you will use, that should be right. Okay? Then only you will use it. Now come to the next question. In question 4, these angles are given and PQ parallel ST is given. Okay? And we have to find out angle QRS. ये निकालना है. So there is a construction in this question. From point R, we will draw one line which is parallel to ST. हम एक line draw करेंगे. Let it be CD parallel to ST. So this is a construction. So here, before we will take the solution, we have to do the construction. We have to write the statement of the construction. Here, construction is draw CD parallel ST through point R. Okay, so this is the construction and here put the heading construction. Okay, so this is the construction. Now we will do the solution part. In solution, अब आपके पास ये दिया हुआ है these two are parallel और ये इसके parallel है. What does it mean? All these three lines are parallel to each other, isn't it? और इसको हम मान लेते हैं let this as angle 1 and this as angle 2 and this as angle 3. Since PQ ST and CD parallel ST by construction, and this is given. Therefore, all the three lines are parallel to each other. तीनों आपस में parallel होगा. Now, angle 110 plus angle 1 equal 180 degree. Why? Why it will be 180 degree? Co-interior angle. Co-interior angles. So therefore, angle 1 equal, shift the term, you will get it 70 degree. Isn't it? Angle 1 is 70 degree. Now same way, and these two are also parallel. ST parallel RD by construction. Therefore, angle 2 plus 130 degree equal 180 degree. Reason? Same reason. Co-interior angles. So from here, angle 2 equal 50 degree. Angle 2 आपके पास 50 degree आ गया. Now look at this. CRD is a straight line. Now CRD or CD is a straight line. Straight line का सम क्या होता है? 180 degree होता है. So therefore, angle 1 plus 2 plus 3 equal 180 degree. आप इसको equation 2 and here you can write it 1. So from 1 and 2 equation, what result you will get it? Instead of 1, you will put its value 70 degree, and instead of 2, 50 degree plus angle 3 equal 180 degree. So 120 plus angle 3 equal 180 degree. So angle 3 equal 60 degree. Angle 3 हमें find out करना है, or you can write it at the end. Instead of angle 3, you can write angle QRS equal 60 degree. Clear? तो हमें यही find out करना है. Come to the question 5th. In question 5th, it is given AB parallel CD is given, and angle 50 degree and 127 is also given, 127 degree. And you have to find out angle X and Y. So solution. Since AB parallel CD given, therefore 50 degree equal X degree. 50 degree equal X degree. Alternate interior angles. Similarly, अब अगर आप यहां पर देखें, this angle, what it should be? Let it be angle 1. तो हम angle 1 कैसे find out कर सकते हैं? हमने यहां पर find out कर लिया x we have taken it. How can we find out angle 1? Now angle 1 plus 127 degree equal 180 degree. Linear pair, isn't it? So you will get angle 1 equal 180 minus 127 degree. So angle 1 is 53 degree. Angle 1 you will get it as 53 degree. अब आपके पास angle 1 भी आ गया 53 degree and angle X 50 degree आ गया आपके पास. How can you find out angle Y now? Angle Y. There are many ways. You can use the angle sum property also, because in the exam you will get the missed question. Now in triangle PQR, by using the angle sum property, angle 1 plus x plus y equal 180 degree. Angles of triangle. Yeah, angle sum property. Now substitute the value. 53 degree plus 50 degree plus y equal 180 degree. तो आपके पास ये क्या आ गया? Plus y equal 180 degree. Now you can find out y from here. Y equal 180 minus 103. So what it should be? 180 degree minus 103. It will be 77 degree. 77 degree you will get it. तो हमें क्या फाइंड आउट करना था? एंगल x and y. So angle x is this one and angle y is this one. Is it clear? That's all for today.